Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps in Windows 10 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Right click on Start button, click on Run, type WS Reset, click on OK, Microsoft Store will open. Click on File Explorer, click on this PC. Right click on Start button, click on Run, type clean mgr, click on OK, remove all junk you don't want, click on OK, click on Delete Files, go to Windows search bar again, type cmd, right click Run as administrator, click on Yes, type sfc/scan now, click enter. That's it. Thanks for watching.